Awesome. Do you have like a laptop? What do you study on the most?
Laptop.
Cat, do you have a mouse?
No.
Can you get a mouse and a keyboard so you can kind of sit up more and bring everything to you versus you going all the way to it? Oh, yeah. Look, breathe. Loosen. Let go. Oh, that was good. Let go. Good, one more time. Oh, yeah. Loosen. So good. Not too hard, right?
No.
Breathe low. Oh, yeah. Loosen. Stuff. Breathe and squeeze, and then go to your back. Bend this knee. You mind me touching? Your hip flexor, and then drop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in your belly. Kegel and squeeze your butt and lift your knee a little bit, and drop back down. And let everything go. Let go of your hip flexor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee. Better, but you can tell soccer really helps you to overuse. Now you see how this is pulling into my hand or pushing into my hand even more right off the bat? So you know your groin and everything's involved on this side. Because it's the only thing, can you see me, that would pull it this way. It'd be all your pectineus muscles and all the groin muscles along with your hip flexor. Bend your knee. Now let go. Good. Now squeeze your butt easy. Yep, feel your butt feel your glute max as you're dropping down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift easy. Feel your glute max. Let it go. 5, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee. Good. Turn to your side. Good. Now that your hip flexors relax and you're growing a little bit, I should be able to get you to adjust. Knees, lift the knee high. All out. Let go.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
On your back. Breathe and squeeze. Get everything tight. Pressure was okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Pull on your arm. Lift this knee high up and then roll your hip to me. Good. Now breathe in your belly. All out. Loosen up. Let go. Oh, that's tight on your back. The next time I see you, we'll get a lot more. Bend your knees. You could just tell that was a whole season right there. Yeah, you boogered that left side up. That whole anterior chain is real tight. It rolled your pelvis forward, and it made your knee and that tibial torsion occur as well. That's that whole trickling down effect of lower cross syndrome. How do we reverse engineer it? Roll out the front, roll out all the calf, right? Roll out everything on the back side, and then get stronger in your glute. Oh. Awesome.